So today I'm going to show you how to transfer money to Cash App from a debit card. Now you can see we actually have the app here in real time, so you can follow along step by step. Now I'm going to go ahead and go off screen here for us so you can just follow along in real time. And you can see that our Cash App account is on our home page right over here with the $ highlighted. And the way we want to go ahead and transfer money to Cash App from a debit card is to first add a debit card. And in order to do that, we're going to go to the top right-hand side. You might have a photo icon on here or just the silhouette of a profile photo. Let's click on this. And that's going to take us to our menu page. And underneath accounts and settings, if we go down just a little bit, you're going to see where it says linked banks. You can either click on the word or the right-hand arrow. And then here on this page, you're going to be able to see the option that says link debit card. Now we already have our debit card linked because we can only have one on file. So once you go ahead and click on that, you're going to add in the card number, CVV, and the expiration date. And once that's added in, we're going to go back to our home page, which is going to be, again, right back over here on the main page of our account. Now, in order to go ahead and transfer money into this Cash App account with that new debit card, we're going to go to the left-hand side here. You can see here for ours, it says $14. Yours might look like a bank account or a actual dollar amount if you already have something in this account. We're going to click on this. And now in this section here towards the very top, you're going to see where it says money. And right underneath this, you're going to see where it says add money. We're going to go ahead and click on this option. Now this pop-up menu shows up here to go ahead and add money. Now keeping in mind, this will be an instant transfer from the card on file. So making sure we have that money in that account. Now it does give us a couple of denominations we can choose from, or we can click the three little dots over here that are horizontal. Now for our example today, we're going to go ahead and choose $1, but you can choose obviously any amount you would like. And we're going to go ahead and click on add, and that is going to do a quick Face ID for us here. And then you can see our $1 has been added to our total balance. Click on done. And now you can see we went up to $15 on our account. Now I have more to show you when it comes to utilizing Cash App. So check out our next video right over here on screen to keep on learning when it comes to using Cash App.